The spectrogram tool is available in the TV analyzer and spectrum analyzer modes. In the TV analyzer mode, we will find it by pressing on the triangle icon in the top left corner of a panel. This will unfold a menu with all the tools available. We must choose a spectrogram. In the case of the spectrum analyzer mode, we will find this tool by dragging to the center the hidden right screen menu. Once activated, we can see the spectrogram flowing downwards just right below the spectrum trace, showing those frequency bands with higher power level in warmer colors. If we press over the plot, a bar will be displayed on the right side of the screen, showing the link between signal level values and the coloring used. If we press on the cogwheel on the top right corner of the panel, we can adjust the spectrogram time window length displayed on the screen, being 1 hour the maximum value and 8 seconds the minimum value. This tool helps to effectively identify power level changes over the bandwidth and time length being monitored, and is especially useful to detect sporadic anomalies in the RF spectrum.